If you've ever been asked, "How are you?" and felt stuck, unsure what to say next, you're not alone. Many English learners either answer too simply or don't know how to continue the conversation naturally. Today, we're going to practice real answers that help you sound confident, natural, and comfortable in everyday situations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. In this conversation, you'll learn how to move beyond just "I'm fine" and actually keep a real conversation going. We'll show you natural responses, how to add details, and how to connect with people more easily. Let's get right into it.
Hey Leo, how are you?
I'm doing pretty well today, actually. It's been a productive morning, so I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm doing all right. A little tired, to be honest, but nothing too bad. I didn't sleep very well last night.
I see. That happens sometimes. Was there something on your mind or just one of those nights?
More like one of those nights. I kept waking up, so I never really got into a deep sleep.
That makes sense. It's hard to feel fully rested when that happens. Are you planning to take it easy today?
Yeah, I think I will. I've got a lighter schedule, so I'm not going to push myself too much.
That sounds like a good plan.
So, Leo, let's pause for a second. Did you notice how you answered, "How are you?"
Right. I didn't just say I'm fine. I added a little more detail. I said I was doing well and mentioned my morning.
Exactly. That's what makes your answer sound natural. Instead of stopping the conversation, you give the other person something to respond to.
Right. And that helps the conversation continue smoothly.
All right, let's try another situation. Leo, how are you?
I'm a bit stressed today, to be honest. I've got a lot going on at work. How about you?
I understand. That sounds like a busy day. I'm doing pretty good, actually. I just finished a project I've been working on for a while.
Oh, nice. That must feel like a relief.
It really does. I've been thinking about it for weeks, so it's nice to finally be done.
I bet. Are you taking a break now or jumping into something new?
I'm going to take a short break first. I think I earned it.
Fair enough. That sounds well-deserved.
So here's something important. You can answer, "How are you?" in different ways depending on how you actually feel.
Right. You don't always have to be positive. You can be honest, but still polite.
Exactly. For example, "I'm a bit stressed today" is honest but still natural and appropriate.
Anna, can I ask something quickly?
Of course.
What's the difference between saying "I'm good" and "I'm doing well"?
That's a great question. Both are common and natural. "I'm good" is more casual, and "I'm doing well" sounds slightly more complete or a bit more formal.
Got it. So in daily conversation, both are fine.
Exactly. You can use either one. Let's continue. Leo, how are you?
I'm doing okay. Not great, not bad. Just a normal day so far. What about you?
I'm feeling really good today. I had a great start this morning, so I'm in a positive mood.
That's nice to hear. What made your morning so good?
I went for a walk early in the morning and the weather was perfect. It really helped me feel energized.
That sounds refreshing. I should probably start doing that too.
You should. It makes a big difference.
Now, let's highlight something important. When Anna said, "I'm feeling really good today," she added a reason.
Right, and that's key. If you add a reason, the conversation becomes more interesting and easier to continue.
Instead of stopping at "I'm good," you open the door for more conversation.
Let's try another example. Leo, how are you?
I'm doing all right, just a little busy lately. I haven't had much time to relax.
I see. That can be tough. Have you had any time for yourself at all?
Not really. I've been focusing a lot on work, so I need to find some balance.
That makes sense. Maybe you can plan something small, like a short break or a relaxing activity.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Even something simple would help.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be anything big.
Okay, quick moment for everyone listening. If you're enjoying this conversation and finding it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Your support really helps us continue creating these real-life English conversations for you.
And the more you practice with us, the more confident you'll become.
All right, let's keep going. Hey Leo, how are you?
I'm actually really excited today. I've got something fun planned later.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What are you planning to do?
I'm meeting some friends for dinner. It's been a while since we all got together.
That sounds great. It's always nice to spend time with friends. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
I understand. I love those moments too. So here's another useful thing. You can express emotion in your answer.
Right, instead of just saying "I'm good," you can say "I'm excited," "I'm tired," or "I'm stressed."
Exactly. That makes your English sound more natural and expressive.
Anna, can you repeat that last part? I want to make sure I understood.
Of course, I said that adding emotions like excited, tired, or stressed makes your English sound more natural.
Got it. That helps a lot.
No problem. Asking for repetition is always okay. Let's continue. Hey Leo, how are you?
I'm doing a little tired today, but overall I'm doing fine. I stayed up late last night.
I see. Were you working or just relaxing?
A bit of both. I started working, but then I got distracted watching videos.
That happens. It's easy to lose track of time.
Exactly. Before I knew it, it was really late.
Well, hopefully you can get some rest tonight.
That's the plan.
Now let's look at another natural response. How are you, Leo?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. It's been a calm day so far.
That's nice. Calm days are always welcome.
Definitely. Sometimes it's good when nothing too exciting happens.
I agree. It gives you time to relax and reset.
Exactly.
Notice something here. Leo said, "Thanks for asking."
Right, that's a polite addition you can use.
It's simple, but it sounds very natural in conversation.
Let's try one more situation. Hey, Anna, how are you?
I'm doing okay, just trying to stay focused today. I've got a lot to do.
I understand. Do you feel organized, or is it a bit overwhelming?
A little overwhelming, honestly, but I'm taking it one step at a time.
That's a good approach. Breaking things into smaller steps really helps.
It does. It makes everything feel more manageable.
Exactly.
So as you can see, answering "How are you" is not about being perfect.
It's about being natural, honest, and a little more expressive.
You can keep it short, but still meaningful.
And most importantly, you can use your answer to continue the conversation.
Before we finish, let's do a quick natural flow. Hey Leo, how are you?
I'm doing great today. I feel really motivated. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well too. I'm feeling relaxed and ready for the day.
That's good to hear. Sounds like a strong start.
It really is. And that's exactly how a natural conversation flows.
Simple, clear, and connected.
By the way, this kind of natural back and forth conversation is exactly what we practice in our lessons, just like in that doctor's office scenario we worked on before, where clear, simple communication really matters.
Right, and the same idea applies here. Keep it simple, but real.
To wrap up, remember this. You don't need complicated sentences. Just share how you feel, add a small detail, and ask a question back.
That's the key to sounding natural and confident in English.
You're doing great just by practicing.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care.
See you soon.